Sixth lecture. Called Begging for a Bowl 1. First lesson. A monk or a nun wanting to get a bowl may beg for one made of bottle gourd or wood or clay, or such like bowls. If he be a youthful, young, and c. 5, 1, section 1, monk, he may carry with him one bowl, not two. A monk or a nun should not resolve to go farther than half a yogana to get a bowl. As regards the acceptance of a bowl, those 4 precepts which have been given in the first lesson of the first lecture, called 3 Begging of Food, concerning one fellow ascetic, and should be repeated here. The 5th is that concerning many sramanas and brahmanas. A monk or a nun should not accept a bowl which the layman has, for the mendicant's sake, bought, and see the lecture called Begging of Clothes 4. A monk or a nun should not accept any very expensive bowls of the following description: bowls made of iron, tin, lead, silver, gold, brass, a mixture of. Page 167. Gold, silver, and copper, pearl, glass, mother of pearl, horn, ivory, cloth, stone, or leather, for such very expensive bowls are impure and unacceptable. 2. A monk or a nun should not accept bowls which contain a band of the same precious materials specialized in section 2, 4 and 3. For the avoidance of these occasions to sin, there are 4 rules for begging a bowl to be known by the mendicants. Now this is the first rule. A monk or a nun may beg for a bowl specifying its quality, viz. bottle gourd or wood or clay. If they beg for such a bowl, or the householder gives it, they may accept it, for it is pure and acceptable. This is the first rule. 4. Now follows the second rule. A monk or a nun may ask for a bowl, which they have well inspected, from the householder or his wife, and after consideration, they should say, "O long-lived one," or, "O sister, please give me one of these bowls," viz. one made of bottle gourds or wood or clay. If they beg for such a bowl, or the householder gives it, they may accept it, 4 and This is the second rule. 5. Now follows the third rule. A monk or a nun may beg for a bowl which has been used by the former owner or by many people. If they beg for it, and see section 5. This is the third rule. 6. Now follows the fourth rule. A monk or a nun may beg for a left-off bowl which no other shramana or brahmana, guest, pauper, or beggar wants. If they beg for it, and see section 5. This is the fourth rule. Page 168. A monk or a nun having adopted one of these 4 rules should not say, and see C2, 1, tr, section 12, all down to, we respect each other accordingly. 7. A householder may perhaps say to a mendicant begging in the prescribed way, "O long-lived shramana, return after a month," and see, all is in the lecture called Begging of Clothes 1. 8. The householder may say, to one of his people, "O long-lived one," or, "O sister, fetch that bowl, rub it with oil, ghee, fresh butter, or marrow, we shall give it," and see, C2, 5, 1, section 11, or wash, wipe, or rub it with perfumes, and see, or wash it with cold or hot water, or empty it of the bulbs, and see, C2, 5, 1, sections 11 and 12. 9. The householder may say, to the mendicant, "O long-lived shramana, stay a while till they have cooked or prepared our food, and see, then we shall give you, O long-lived one, your alms bowl filled with food or drink. It is not good, not meet that a mendicant should get an empty alms bowl." After consideration, the mendicant should answer, "O long-lived one," or, "O sister, it is indeed not meet for me to eat or drink food and see, which is adhakarmika, do not cook or prepare it. If you want to give me anything, give it as it is." After these words, the householder might offer him the alms bowl filled with food or drink which had been cooked or prepared. He should not accept such an alms bowl, for it is impure and unacceptable. 10. Perhaps the householder will bring and give the mendicant an alms bowl. The mendicant should then, after consideration, say, "O long-lived one," or, "O." Page 169. Sister, I shall in your presence closely inspect the interior of the bowl. The Kevalan says, this is the reason, in the alms bowl there might be living beings, or seeds, or grass. Hence it has been said to the mendicant, and see, that he should closely inspect the interior of the alms bowl. 11. All that has been said in the lecture called Begging of Cloves, 2.5i, section 15 down to the end, is mutatis mutandis, to be repeated here. In section 15, add before perfumes, with oil, ghee, butter, or marrow. This is the whole duty, and see. Thus I say. 12. Footnotes. 166:1 Pisana. 166:2 This applies, according to the commentator, to Jinakalpikas, and see ordinary monks may have a drinking vessel, besides the alms bowl. 166:3 C2, 1, section 11. 166:42, 5, 1, section 3. 168:12, 5, 1, section 10.